Hi guys, it's me, Gordon from GWTV, and today is a sad day. Today is the day that I sell the van. So as you can probably tell from all that movement out the window, I'm driving. This is the last drive of the van, man. I'm so upset. It's not good. And oh no, it's horrific actually. The van looks super clean. It's never looked this clean. There's a whole lot, look, you can see all the paperwork and documents and things, all the little bits and pieces that I've got left. I'm actually selling the van to one of my friends, so I'm really pleased it's going to a great new home. So how am I feeling? I'm feeling a bit upset, if I'm honest, a bit heavy-hearted, but I'm also just really excited just to see the van go to a new family. My friend Alex is buying the van, which is great. I know him from a long time back. We used to do a lot of running together. And so yeah, I'm just really pleased. He's a trendy guy. He'll love this. I know that, like, yeah, he'll treat it really well. And so I'm very pleased it's going to a good family. He's got kids. They're just going to love this as a family. He does a lot of ultra running, and so this is going to be perfect for him driving into remote places, staying overnight, obviously in the van. It's been such an adventure, just kind of doing this. With over 60 videos now on the conversion, and I just love it. I really love it. I want to say a massive thank you to all of you, people in the T5 forums on Facebook. There's just such a wealth of knowledge, a lot of love in those communities. I love it, and so much banter as well. It's so good. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing some more videos. I'm going to be doing another van at some point. I'm not 100% sure. It's probably going to be after the summer. I'm actually studying a master's degree at the moment, and I need to get that finished, so I'm going to resist the urge to spend the money I get for this and reinvest it into a van until after the summer. I'm not too sure exactly what I'm going to get yet. I'll see what's knocking about, but it'll likely be a VW. It could potentially be a Crafter or a T6, I'm not sure yet. I'd like to take on something bigger. So I could ramble on for ages. Guys, thanks for all the love. I've loved it, learned so much in the process, made loads of new friends. Really happy about doing it. Wouldn't change it for the world. Sad to see it go. Hasta la vista, baby. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.